Alright guys, welcome back to YouTube. Today we've got another exciting experiment today where we're going to be looking at acetone. Acetone is a organic solvent, which means it can dissolve stuff. Now you can get acetone from your local pharmacies, and I bought two for today's experiment. And what we're going to see is how styrofoam or polystyrene reacts with acetone. Now just to make this clear, this isn't a chemical reaction because there's nothing chemically changing. But what we're doing is we're going to take a piece of this polystyrene, and polystyrene is about 95% air. And we're going to release all of that air from the polystyrene as the acetone weakens the polymer. Let's see what happens. So I'm going to put a small amount of acetone onto this dinner plate. I won't be using this later. And we're going to see what happens as polystyrene interacts with the acetone. This is cool. And you can see, look, we've completely softened the polystyrene. And we're left with this gel that's left over, and this is the pure polymer with no oxygen. It's quite sticky, it feels like glue. And this is your polystyrene with all of the oxygen removed. All right guys, let's see what else we can do with polystyrene and acetone. You can see, look, it's just weakening the polystyrene. It's releasing all of that oxygen. It's cool, it's like acid burning through. What's amazing about acetone is how much is needed to weaken the polystyrene. So I'm just going to put a small amount in this beaker, and I'm going to put a small amount in this jug. And let's see which one dissolves the polystyrene quicker. There you have it, guys. We've completely weakened our polystyrene. We're just left with this gooey gel. Well, what about party cups? Polystyrene party cups. This is why you should never pour acetone into a party cup. Alright guys, so what have we learned today? Well, we've learned that polystyrene is a polymer that we use in packaging, but we can weaken that polymer using acetone. Now, acetone can be found in nail varnish removers, but we've got to be careful when using pure acetone because this can cause your skin to dry out or even crack. So be especially careful when using the acetone. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in.